We have already discussed that board meetings are an essential part of any organization's operations. These meetings provide a platform for the board members to discuss critical matters and make decisions that impact the organization's future. However, conducting a board meeting can be a challenging task, especially when it comes to organizing the agenda and managing time effectively. In this lecture, we will discuss a checklist for the board meeting agenda and managing time effectively. Checklist for board meeting agenda. A well-organized agenda is the foundation of a productive board meeting. Here is a checklist to help you organize your board meeting agenda effectively. Define the purpose of the meeting. The first step is to define the meeting's purpose and goals. This will help you identify the critical topics to be discussed and ensure that the meeting stays focused. Identify the critical topics. Identify the most important topics that need to be discussed during the meeting. This will help you prioritize the agenda and ensure that the most critical topics are discussed first. Allocate time for each item. Allocate a specific amount of time for each item on the agenda. This will help you manage the meeting's duration and ensure that all topics are covered. Identify presenters. Identify the presenters for each item on the agenda. This will help you ensure that right people are available to present on the topic. Send the agenda in advance. Send the agenda to all board members in advance. This will give them time to prepare for the meeting and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Managing time effectively. Effective time management is crucial to conducting a productive board meeting. Here are some tips to help you manage time effectively. Start and end on time. Start the meeting on time and end on time. This will help you manage the meeting's duration and ensure that everyone stays on schedule. Stick to the agenda. Stick to the agenda and avoid unnecessary discussions on tangents. This will help you ensure that all topics are covered within the allocated time. Monitor the time. Assign someone to monitor the time and provide updates on the meeting progress. This will help you manage time effectively and ensure that you cover all the topics. Prioritize the agenda. Prioritize the agenda items and allocate the appropriate amount of time for each item. This will help you ensure that the most critical topics are covered first. In conclusion, conducting a board meeting can be a daunting task, but with the right checklist and effective time management, it can be a productive and rewarding experience for you. By organizing the agenda and managing time effectively, you can ensure that all critical topics are covered and the meeting stays on track. The key is to prioritize the agenda items, allocate the appropriate amount of time for each item, and stick to the agenda. With these tips in mind, you can conduct a successful board meeting that benefits your organization.